Courageous living. Courage is doing what is right, following our conscience, refusing to compromise our principles despite pressures and temptations. Courage is taking a stand against what is wrong, speaking out whenever we see others do things that are incorrect or inappropriate. Courage is speaking our mind even though others don't agree. Courage is taking complete responsibility for our actions and our mistakes. Courage is following the rules and breaking rules whenever necessary. Courage is challenging the status quo and opting for better ways. Courage is doing what we know is right, regardless of the risks and potential consequences. Courage is a mastery over fear. It is being fearless. Courage is bravery and standing up for people and for a cause. Courage is saving the lives of people in danger. Courage is turning our crisis into an opportunity. Courage is taking the road least traveled. To the courageous, a failure, a refusal, a disappointment, a disability, or a fear simply fuels the inner spirit to rise above it and respond. We can learn from the examples that have been set by the courageous men and women who have gone before, the men and women who have flourished in adversity. According to Napoleon Bonaparte, courage isn't having the strength to go on. It is going on when you don't have the strength. Giving a message to the young people, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam said, "Have the courage to think differently. Courage to invent, to travel the unexplored path, courage to discover the impossible and to conquer the problems and succeed." Life shrinks or expands in proportion to your courage. The National Bravery Awards are a set of awards given annually to about 25 Indian children below 16 years of age for meritorious acts of courage and bravery against all odds. The award was instituted in 1957 by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. How did it start? On Gandhi Jayanti Day, 2nd October 1957, Pandit Nehru was watching a performance in Delhi's Ram Leela ground at the Red Fort. During the performance, a short circuit caused a fire to break out in a shamiana. Harish Chandra Mehra, a 14-year-old scout, promptly took out his knife and ripped open the burning tent, saving the lives of hundreds of trapped people. This incident inspired Nehru to establish an award to honor brave children from all over the country. Courageous is an amazing movie about 4 police officers who are put to the ultimate testing of their faith in God and as husbands and fathers of families. When calamity strikes, these men are faced with a difficult choice. The movie shows how one father challenges 4 others to commit completely to becoming an active role model and an example of courage. He asks, "So where are you, men of courage? Where are you, fathers who fear the Lord?" It is time to rise up and answer the call that God has given to you and say, "I will, I will, I will." Your courage is an attitude that determines your altitude.